Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Since this video is about my 6-year-old painting, I wanted to share an awesome toy I got for him. For all of us parents out there trying to keep our kids busy during this time, this Dodoelephant RC car is not only fun but educational. This is what came in the box: a mini screwdriver, 2 charger cable, a battery pack, the hand motion control, and an instruction manual. What's amazing is that this toy car also came with an extra battery pack. The AA battery for the remotes are not included. My son loves this toy car. The multi-directional and transforming features are amazing. And with the extra battery pack, it's 40 minutes of playtime. But what he loves most is being able to control the car with the hand motion sensor. And as you can see in the video, even my 13-year-old had fun using this feature. It's a learning curve to use the motion sensor, but I'm sure they'll get the hang of it soon. So please stay tuned until the end of this video for instructions for the giveaway that I'm having. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This giveaway is for a child's toy. In order to enter this giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel and comment #giveaway 2020. I will choose a winner on September 30th. I will announce the winners on my YouTube and on my Instagram. So check the links down below and follow me on Instagram for any updates. Thank you for watching.